And when love feels tired, God renews it. The strength of your marriage will not only come from how much you love each other, but from how much you allow God to work in you.
Dumaan na tayo sa maraming hirap, hindi tayo iniwan ni Lord. Hindi kita iiwan. I love you so much. My love, my Ria, my wife.
Who would have thought we will be here? So beautiful that we could ever imagine. Grabe, from 2016 hanggang ngayon, ang dami nating pinagdaanan. Pero at the same time, parang ang bilis lang rin. I still remember the first time na na-notice kita kasi masyado kang papansin.
This is the moment. It is more than celebration, love between two people. Today, we witness something deeper. A union that is not only about them, but a union that is offered now to Him.
I am beyond blessed that you are the man I will marry, and to the future father of our children. One night, I could not sleep. Bigla na lang kitang naalala. Umiiyak ako, and in that moment, na-realize ko na totoo pala na love kita. No messages, no updates, pero ramdam na ramdam ko. And that's when God spoke to my heart. He is the one I gave for you.
Finally, andito na tayo sa dami na ups and downs, challenges and problems na pinagdaanan natin para parating itong kasal natin. Wait lang. I am proud to say, hindi ako nagkamali na ikaw ang pinili ko.
Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Malinaw na ang patutunguhan. Si A, boss, si Sarya.
Thank you for your patience, for your consistency, for making me feel special every day, every single day. You never failed to remind me that I am loved. I love you so much, love. And I thank God that we fought for this love. And then one day, you showed up at my office work with a KitKat ice cream. Honestly, hanggang ngayon, every time I see a KitKat ice cream, napapangiti ako kasi it reminds me of how simple moments with you became something so special.
For marriage is not merely the joining of hands, but the joining of hearts that are surrendered to God. It is the miracle of love and the work of the Holy Spirit making two lives become one according to His divine purpose.
Cause the thing I love about me is you. Thing I love about me is you. The way I light up when you walk into the room. Oh, the thing I love about me is you.
Wedding is always joyful because it marks the beginning of a new chapter in two lives become one. But today's message reminds us that marriage is not only about two people finding each other. It is about two people together finding God.
Hold on. Hold on.
10 taon na pagpili sa isa't isa. And it was not easy.
You'll never change what's been there, God. May your
Ephesians 3:20. Now to him who is able to do immeasurably more than all we ask or imagine, because honestly, love, you are more than I ever prayed for,
don't
more
be
than I imagined, more than I thought I deserved.
Your destiny
And
may
today,
keep you
I stand here and I want to make these promises to you. I promise to take care of you for the rest of my life.
stars are fading away. Just try not to worry. You'll see them someday.
Life will bring changes, but when marriage begin with now to Him, you are declaring, Lord, this marriage belongs to you. Our dreams belongs to you. Our plans belongs to you. And our future belongs to you. When God is the center, love becomes stronger than circumstances.
Take what you need.
Ito lang masabi ko sa iyo na sa bagong yugto ng buhay niyo bilang mag-asawa, sana ano ang mga changes sa buhay, ano ang mga pagsubok, dapat pag-usapan niyo.
Ikaw yung lalaki na hindi lang dumating sa buhay ko. Ikaw yung pinili ko at pinili ni Lord para sa akin. And I am truly thanking God that He gave you.
Yeah, baby.
Wow, 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 wow.
Oh, baby, you make me feel good.
Pwede na!
You're now tuned in to the Love Station, baby.
Pado!
You're like a halo, baby. I
Kambal daw
get you,
tayo.
can't say no, baby. I don't pay him no mind. I be on time with you every time, no lie. Give me
Something,
light in my
something,
life,
something.
ain't shine with
Oh,
you,
oh,
back, no
oh,
way.
oh.
I'm here for you if you ever got a need. You don't ever show that you can count on me.
Kaya simula noon, hindi na ako tumigil manligaw sa'yo kahit hindi mo talaga ako gusto.
Eh, anong suot nyo?
Well, kahit na
Mamami
maraming
ko.
rejections,
You're so hot, my
kakampi ko
friend.
si Lord. Kaya nag-pray na lang ako kay Lord. Lord, if siya, please siya. If hindi siya, hindi pwede, Lord. Siya talaga, Lord.
One more time. Don't miss no calls when you're calling me. Yeah, right, which is where I wanna be.
Bawat galaw mo ako'y tutulang mo ang hawak mo.
Right here's where I wanna be. In my
Fast forward.
Always dancing around in my mind.
Salamat,
like a
Tutupad.
fall butterfly. You're perfect.
Oh, pakondisyon na, pakondisyon. Pakondisyon, para sa honeymoon. Para duro, Jo, para duro.
I choose you.
Nandun ka nung walang-wala ako, nung walang-wala pa talaga ako, nung wala pa akong mapatunayan sa ibang tao. Nandun ka nung unti-unti na ako nanalo sa buhay. Ikaw ang pinili ko, hindi dahil maganda ka, pero maganda ka naman talaga, yung gandang nakaka-intimidate. I love you kasi nakita ko gaano ka kaalaga sa iba, sa mga kapatid mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Kaya 8 years ago, nasabi ko talaga, ito magiging nanay ng mga anak ko.
Spinning me all around. Spinning me up and never come.
Anak, mahalin mo talaga habang buhay ang iyong asawa, si Lisel at ikaw, Lisel. Mahalin mo rin talaga habang buhay ang aking anak.
You're perfect in every way. There's only one
Here we are, you saw something in me that nobody sees. Mga bagay na kahit ako, hindi ko nakita sa sarili ko. Thank you for always being there for me. Always lifting me up and encouraging me. Lalo na sa mga moments na kailangan ko ng lakas ng loob, harapin ang lahat. We are a testimony of God's power, perseverance, and promise. Our life together will be an inspiration and influence to our disciples, our families, and our future family.
When two people walk toward God, they will naturally grow closer to each other. Not only now, on your wedding day, but I believe every day of your marriage.
From annoying ka to ikaw ang habang buhay ko. Grabe ka, Lord. Forever yours. Love, Ria.